Hi, I'm Corey. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Today we are working on a GE range that the customer complaint is overheating. We have an F2 error code also, and we will be replacing the main control board. The tools you will need for this repair are a 1/4 inch nut driver. Okay, now we're to the back of the unit. We're going to unplug the unit first, and then you're going to remove the 4 1/4 inch screws here on the back panel to remove this access panel. And now we have access to the rear part for the main control board to replace. Okay, now we're going to start by removing the wires. If you'd like, take a picture of the control with the wires on it first to get a good reference, so when you remove them you have a good key to go back to. Start by leaving it on and just remove each one. Now with the wires disconnected, you can remove these 4 1/4 inch screws holding the control board to the unit. And now you have removed the control board. Okay, we are going to be removing this overlay. This is a sticker attached to the control board. So what we're going to use is a heat gun and apply some low heat to it around the corners here. That's where the glue is, and it should remove after you get it warm. Kind of keep moving around so the heat's evenly distributed. And start at the corner. You may have to apply some more heat. Now you have successfully removed the overlay from the control board. Okay, now we're going to reinstall the existing overlay back to the main control board. Align all 4 corners with the control board. And once you have centered it, you just kind of stick it down on all corners. You have now successfully reinstalled the overlay back to the main control. Okay, now we're going to reinstall the control board back to the unit. Just slide it in here. You're going to reinstall the 4 1/4-inch screws. And now we're going to reconnect your wires back to the main control. This is red, that goes to this Molex here. The white wire is a neutral. The neutral is located here where the N is. And then the other wire is going to be for the oven light, where it says OV. And then you're going to reconnect your yellow to the yellow on the bake relay. Purple back to the purple. And you're going to attach this black to the common on the purple relay. Attach your red to the red here. And then your orange to the orange. Be sure to check your wire connections. And you have now reinstalled the wires in the main control. And now we can reinstall the back panel. Okay, we're going to reinstall the back panel to the unit. Going to reinstall the 4 1/4-inch screws. You've now reinstalled the rear panel to the machine. Okay, now that you have successfully installed the control board, you're going to want to run a test cycle to verify that the machine is working. And just let it preheat and verify that all your temperatures are correct. And that should complete the repair on the replacement of the main control board. Thank you for watching another quality repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.